Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to pay California estimated taxes online. Gather your Form 540ES vouchers, SSN or EIN, and bank routing and account numbers. Then sign into the FTB Web Pay portal, choose Estimated Tax, enter payment amount, select bank transfer or card, verify details, and submit the payment receipt for your records. Start by estimating your annual tax liability using prior returns or projected income. Divide that total by 4 to get quarterly estimated payments, adjust for withholding, and use the California FTB calculator if unsure. Log into WebPay, enter the payment amount, choose bank transfer for lower fees, confirm taxpayer details match your return, and save the confirmation number and PDF for tax records and future adjustments. Also consider payment timing to avoid penalties. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like, it really helps the channel. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker brings music and hands-free voice help to any room, great for kitchen timers or hands-free tax checks. It's compact, sounds good, and pairs with smart devices. Check the description for the link and other deals. Grab one if it helps you stay organized. Now let's get back to the video. Common mistakes include entering the wrong SSN or EIN, mismatching names, and forgetting to select estimated tax as the payment type. If your bank rejects a payment, check account limits and merchant codes, then retry or call your bank. For portal errors, clear browser cache, try a different browser, or use the mobile site. Contact FTB support if problems persist, and keep screenshots and confirmation ID for reference and notes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.